Hello, I wanted to show you how to tear down Zelotes F35, this kind of vertical mouse that I couldn't find any video about it, so I thought it's a good idea to make a video. Uh, First of all, you should peel off the rubbers from here to reveal the screws. There is two screws here and the other two are here. The tricky part is this part that you should take out this. It's not very much hard. You just pull it out to reveal two screws here and here. To open up the mouse, first this part comes out and there is a ribbon here that have a kind of things like this to take it out from here, and it's this part is open, and this part should this screw should be opened to reveal all the parts of the mouse, yeah, and then unscrew these parts to reveal all the switches of the mouse, and you can change the switches as you wish with anything. With a 3-pin micro switch mouse, and it's an easy work to do to change the switches, and that's it. It's a very easy but tricky one because all the mouses are open from bottom, but this one is a vertical mouse and it's a little bit tricky. Thank you to watch this video and have a good day.